Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we are showing our hair again. So to achieve the style that I'm about to show you guys, of course it's a wig. It is a Vpart wig from Alipearl. This wig is freshly washed here. Here I'm just showing you how the inside looks. You get combs and you get clips. But let's take it back. I'm going to show you everything that came in the box. You get a bunch of goodies. And then, of course, you get your wig. This is a 24-inch Kinky straight V-part wig. The V-part I really like because it's so small. So there's not a lot of leave out that you have to leave out. So that is perfect for, when you just don't want to do too much. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out the box. It wasn't washed or anything, but here I am putting it on. I did wash and blow dried the hair. So this is what it looks like. You guys, this wig is 200% density. I don't know what made me choose 200 on kinky straight hair because that is a lot of hair. It's really full. So if you don't like your hair this full, I would definitely go with like the standard 150 or 180%. But we doing it big over here, so just watch me style the hair. And since I don't have a braid down, I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail. I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime, some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just stop doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, just stop doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. And to style the hair today, I am just using my curling iron, and we're gonna do some big loose curls just to give that, I feel like I always say like that fluffy blowout look, but that's exactly the look we're going for. So leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. So these are how the curls turned out. As you can see, the hair still kept all of its texture. Of course, you can straighten the hair before you curl it, but I just wanted to keep it big and fluffy. So this is what it looks like. The curls are not super defined because, again, it is a bigger curling iron. If you wanted like smaller, tighter curls, of course, use a smaller curling iron. What I didn't do was layer the front of my hair, but I'm definitely going to go back in and cut some layers in the front so that the curls can kind of be more stacked in the front and just flow instead of like my hair and then like the extensions are really long. So that's all, but I'm just going to keep curling. And this is the finished product. You guys, the hair, of course, it just blends so well with my hair because any textured hair is going to blend with textured hair, which is why I love, heavy emphasis on love kinky straight hair. So here I'm just doing my edges, nothing fancy. Again, this is 200% density, really full, really nice. The hair is extremely soft. This is the length on me. Again, it is 24 inches. Love the length. I am going to go in and add layers though, and probably a jet black hair dye, but as you can see, my hair isn't jet black anymore, so it blends with the natural color that the wig came. But here is the length on me. Again, I will list all of Alipearl's information in the description box for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.